Uh-oh. I pulled out my drum mag. It's an auto winder.
Got the katanas and everything.
What's that? Nice, nice.
Whoa.
Heard? That's blue. Oh, sorry. Blue on right. He's out. What's up? I think so. Over here? Blue. It's blue. Bang. I'll trade you, bro. That was good push, bro. Good push. Dead man. Good call. Dead man. All right. Well, I just got to be a little more careful with my call. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. So I'm a little thick when I got the gear on. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Yeah, someone's complaining that I was not calling my hit.
There's probably one of the mess when people are trying to shoot you with your hit.
It's okay. Huh? Dude, that felt good, actually. I was like, oh!
First started, when I started running, I accidentally had this too far out, so I hit the door, which caused my finger to go up and hit the safety. So when I went to shoot, nothing.
Oh, the chances! What are the chances? That's great.
You got the pistol working?
The what?
The pistol working?
Yeah, dude. This one has a slight electrical issue sometimes. Yeah, it just happened to go off on you. Sorry.
Oh, that's all good. My mags have plenty of working now, so I should be good.
It is shooting low, dude. Oh, wow. I must have hit the hop up. Huh. I'll check that later. It's going down though, you're right. Nice, dude. Blue, heard. Blue. Pushing right. Blue on right, left, blue on left. Push it. Blue on left. Surrender. Blue. Blue in middle. Whoa, one down deep. You saw that? Watch him.
Blue.
Blue? Blue, nice, dude. Blue? We got him. No, he's dead. He's dead. Good. There should be no one in front of him. That guy was the only concern. Heard? Whoa, whoa! Hi! Surrender! Woo! Heard? Blue! Oh, I'll take it, dude. Nice, dude. Nice. Dead man! Wow. Dead man! Whew! Man! Dead man!
I've had it before.
Excuse me. Nice push, Blue. We're doing good. Oh, yeah.
I gotta turn my pop-up up.
Yeah. Same, bro.
A shot, and that thing just went
Mine?
up for a second, and it just went down. Like
Yeah, mine's going down for some reason. Oh, let's see what that does. All right.
I just saw some guy just with a
Zip.
magazine right on the wall to get away with it.
Yeah, right. That's a little better.
Yeah.
That's a little better, bro. I'll go with it. For now, I'll go with it.
Who's over there?
Heard. Blue. Good push, guys. I wish there was a hole here. They're in tower? What do you mean they're in tower? Maybe next round. Nice, dude. I'll take it. Nice. Oh, man. He was waiting for me, too. I know he was waiting for me. Dead man. Oh. Alright, so I think this time around, I'm going to go that way. Dude, they were waiting for me. They were just waiting for me. I'm like, this dude's going to come around in the exact same spot. Watch this. Alright, let's try something new. Let's not be predictable. Is that blue? Wow. Nice. Good job, guys. Ah. Nice. Just remember, don't go over that red paint. You're good. You guys are doing good. No, that's the red paint. That's the red paint. Stay off the red paint. Yep, you're good. You're good. Just as long as you stay off the red paint, we're good. Yep. You can shoot into spawn, just don't touch the paint. Thanks, guys. Oh, ow. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Blue. Where's everyone? Where's everyone? Bruh! Bruh, where's the enemy team? Surrender? You're dead? Dude, bro, where's your team?
I've been alone with my play bucket.
Man. Well, I mean, like, I kind of feel bad, dude. Like, no one's back there. No one's helping you. Oh, well. Oh, well.
Oh.
Good hustle, though, man. Good hustle. Forward. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Dead man. Nice. Good job, guys. Forced to respawn. That's good. Did they force the respawn on us? That's good. Yeah, that means we're overpowering them. That's good. Just a little bit more cardio, that's all. Just a little more cardio. What was that? Oh, tower. Watch ref tower.
Behind you. Watch left, watch right. That's good. You're gonna move. Yep.
I'm just gonna go back because, like, he's gonna say I call my hit.
Hey, where are you?
He didn't hit me. I'm just gonna respawn. Just in case. It was a close shot, though, man. It was right by my head. Alright! I gave him a free kill.
Oh, you got enough guns?
No. Barely.
That's a full workout you got on, bro.
Alright. Very, very full workout. And I got my swords too. Yeah. Surrender!
Oh, good job.
Nice. Nice.
Dead man.
Whoa!
Dead man.
Surrender! Surrender! Oh, okay. Surrender! Woo! Got you? Woo!
Oh, I got shot in the fucking clip.
Ooh, sorry, dude.
Surrender.
Me? Yeah, nice, dude. Nice. Oh, they got me. Ooh. Right in the tenders. Dead man. to face my accuser. Is it you? Everything good, bro?
Yeah.
Nice, nice, nice. We doing good, Nico?
Yeah.
Is that a winder?
Yeah, my buddy just gave it to me.
Cool, bro. You ever heard of an auto winder?
I wish. What the fuck? Dude, that's awesome.
It's sound activated too. Yeah, so it doesn't waste batteries.
You can say either. That's awesome.
Yeah, bang bang or surrender?
Yeah.
Bang bang or surrender, that's correct. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Surrender. Ooh, there was someone there. There was someone there. So my spider senses were working. Surrender, surrender. Wow, guys. Push up, push up. Come on, come on, come on.
Go to bar, go to bar, go to bar.
Surrender, surrender. Oh, I got him, I got him. Oh, I'll take it, I'll take it.
Dead.
Are you dead yet? Okay, nice, dude. Through that hair of bullets. Nice, nice. Good job, dude. Nice. Oh.
Dude, that kid, I don't know what he was doing. He got lit up, though.
I shot, dude. I think you shot him. I know I shot him, and then my buddy shot him.
Oh, I know, I shot him too. I definitely did more than 3 on that one.
And he's not wearing any armor, bro.
No, he's just wearing a big ass face.
Bro, that's balls right there. I'll try not to overshoot him, but he already complained about me shooting him in his ding-a-ling. I'm like, dude, sweatpants, man. It happens, man.
That's the game, you know?
Hell, I mean, he could always come in with paintball pants like I got.
Red and tunnel, red and tunnel.
Right on tower? Under? No, who's on tower then? Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue. Nice. I'll go wide. What's up? Oh. Blue? Nice, dude, nice. Game should be almost over. There it is. There it is. Oh, you're heavy. Nice, bro. Where is he? Oh, he's gone. Okay, okay.